Meaning of donkey jacket.
Donkey jacket.
Donkey jacket.
Donkey jacket.
Donkey jacket. A donkey jacket is a type of workman's jacket that first became popular in the UK in the 19th century. It is typically made of thick, durable material and features large pockets. The jacket is named after the donkeys that were often used to transport heavy loads, as it was commonly worn by laborers who worked with heavy materials or machinery. In recent years, the jacket has become a symbol of working-class culture in Britain and has been embraced by fashion designers for its utilitarian aesthetic.